Good day to all the employers. I am Nice Pearl Javier Hagit from Philippines. I am 32 years old, single, and a college undergrad. I have 2 years experience in United Arab Emirates as a household worker and a nanny. I took care of 5 months old baby boy from the time he wakes up until his parents comes home from work. I change his diaper, feed him, give him a bath, play and sing with him, and put him to sleep. I also do household works like cleaning the house, ironing and washing clothes, and cooking. I am a hardworking, trustworthy, and dedicated person. I am also willing to learn tasks given to me. To my future employer, sir, mom, if you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duty. And I promise to take care and love your children as my own. And I also promise to finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.